What a ride. What a, I don't want to get out. Yes, sir. Another day, another Chick-fil-A run. Wow. Do whatever you want, baby boy. Oh, dude, I loved it. Yes, sir. Another day, another Chick-fil-A run. Wow. Do whatever you want, baby boy.
BBS wheels, baby.
Wow.
Oh, here's.
Oh my God, ladies and
There's
gentlemen.
a little thing under the push start.
Yeah.
There, you can slip the key into it.
Oh, okay. All right.
And move the seat.
Oh my God, that clutch is really, really light. Oh my God, this is how you know we. Oh, there it is. Okay.
So push the key in the little thingy.
Like this.
Yep. Slip her in. That's how we do.
Oh my.
That's weird. There's not over here.
All right. It's weird having a shifter like this low.
Yeah. I want to get the nice RTD one that sits on here.
Oh, really?
Eventually. That's probably next on the list, honestly. That or exhaust.
Exhaust.
Yeah. And it goes all the way to 8,500, so if you want to send it, whatever it is.
Oh my God! I'm about to sell my car today. Now, I'm not like a very big like German guy.
Alright.
But BMWs, especially like the M3s, love them. Oh my God. This makes my Prius feel even slower.
Still shifted early too. You got
I know. I know. I think my car red lines at like right around 78, maybe.
Gotcha. Just feels it. You know?
Yeah.
I was like, we swapped earlier. I was driving his.
Mm-hmm.
That was weird. I really had to keep an eye on what I was doing.
Yeah.
It's like I'm just getting in my power band.
Yeah.
This is red line. It's like, oh God. Don't blow such a.
Oh no, they're not a big turbo. We got a small turbo.
Flying out of there like that.
Yeah, definitely feels different from my car, for sure.
Hopefully my problem's on.
I just wasn't
already missing a giant chunk.
Well, I just wasn't. Well, you were like, your car's not low, so I was like, oh, okay, like.
It's okay.
Oh God.
Deep breath.
Yep.
As long as the bumper stays attached.
Oh, thank God.
The lip is trash.
Not really.
Yeah.
You threw it on there, or it came with the car?
I put it on there, but
Mm-hmm.
ran into a few curves at first, tight spots.
Yeah. That's why I'm.
Construction zone just ripped a big, like, full-on chunk out of it. So.
Yeah, that's the only reason why I haven't put one on my car yet. Because I'm just like, I could spend, you know, $400 for a lip and then just fuck it up.
Yeah. All it takes is once.
Yep. Yeah, my car is not ridiculously low, but it sits low. Like back there, it would have ate it if I had a lip on there.
Just a bad design road.
Yep. It's not your fault.
No, yeah.
And it's crazy. I pay taxes for them not to be like that. Yeah, but over here I'll let it open up because it's the highway. The only thing is I just don't like, especially because it's not my car, and I have this GoPro like right in the center of my vision, so gotta be a little careful.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. Talk about how we lost traction back there. My God, this is ridiculous. Naturally aspirated. My God. I could have definitely kept going to the right. And like, you said it needs an exhaust, but at the same time, like, if I had this car and they were like, yeah, no exhaust for this car, I'd be like, you know what? I'm okay with this.
It's nice sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Like I live out in the sticks, so
Oh.
as soon as it's nighttime and I'm alone, it sounds loud, but then I go to Ocean City.
And you sound like a vacuum cleaner.
Can't hear it.
Now, would I do it again if I had them? No. Still shifting mad early. Cause my car would be screaming.
Yeah.
It's like, please shift, please. I don't know, but you might have changed my life with this Alcantara.
Dude, best mod.
And the thing is, like, I want to get a carbon fiber steering wheel, and some of them have like the fake leather, like the faux leather,
yeah.
And then some of them have Alcantara, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to get Alcantara because I feel like it, yeah, I feel like it'll wear off at some point.
Dirty too. I need to clean it.
Mm-hmm.
Get it more floofy. But
Okay.
when it's brand new, it feels so much softer.
Yeah, but it still feels good.
Yeah. That's why I kind of want to do the shifter too.
Oh, an Alcantara?
Interior mods are
No, unmatched.
yeah.
But you've changed my life. You've definitely changed my life.
I'm glad.
What a ride. What a I don't want to get out.
Oh really?
I'm gonna start looking for M3s tonight.
Perfect.
Oh jeez. That, oh my God. And the crazy thing is it's stock.
Are you still recording?
Oh dude, I loved it. Yeah, no, thank you. Like, what the hell?